Today, we're about to unravel the enigma behind wealth creation, a subject that captivates many minds but eludes most. Why is it that so few achieve true financial abundance? The answer, my friends, is not shrouded in mystery. It's simply the lack of a concrete plan and strategy. In this video, we will unlock the profound insights that have echoed through centuries, revealing the real secret to creating wealth. So, sit back, relax, and embark on a transformative journey towards understanding the art of wealth creation. Successful wealth creators possess a unique perspective. They view wealth as a creation, not an inheritance or stroke of luck. They comprehend that wealth stems from dedication, hard work, and a willingness to take calculated risks. Unfortunately, most individuals falter due to a distorted perception of wealth, believing it's a distant realm they can't access. But here's the truth. Anyone can amass riches by transforming their mindset and embracing action. Mindset, the launchpad for financial success. To become wealthy, you must think like a wealthy person. You need to cultivate a belief that success is attainable, take calculated risks, and channel your mindset towards wealth creation. Here's the thing. Wealth creation starts with the way you think about money and success. Those who have successfully created wealth have a unique perspective. They don't see wealth as something handed down or stumbled upon. Nope. They see it as a result of hard work, dedication, and even a willingness to take a few calculated risks. But here's where it gets interesting. A lot of folks have the wrong mindset when it comes to wealth. They believe that you either have wealth or you don't, and that you can't create it from scratch. Well, let's bust that myth wide open. The truth is, anyone, yes, anyone, can build wealth if they're willing to adjust their mindset and put in the effort. But hang on a second. While having the right mindset is crucial, it's not the whole enchilada. You can think positively all day long, but if you don't take action, you're stuck in neutral. Action is the game changer, the turbo boost that transforms dreams into reality. Imagine this. You've got this amazing idea for a business or a project, but you never take that first step. What happens then? Not much. It's like having a fancy recipe but never actually cooking the meal. So, action is your secret sauce. And guess what? There's no one-size-fits-all recipe for action. It depends on your unique circumstances. But here's a roadmap to get you started. First off, clarity is your best friend. What do you want? Define your goal and put it in writing. It's like setting coordinates on a treasure map. Your mind is a powerhouse that can figure out ways to achieve almost any goal you set for it. The more specific and compelling your goal, the more your mind will work on ways to make it happen. Now, on to the second step, making a plan. Break down your big goal into smaller, achievable steps. Even if it's a baby step, taking action creates momentum. And guess what? Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your wealth empire. Just look at Jeff Bezos. He didn't become a billionaire overnight. It took him years of hard work and patience to amass his fortune. Patience, the unsung hero of wealth creation. Let's talk about patience for a moment. In a world that glorifies instant success, it's easy to forget that true wealth creation takes time. Jeff Bezos didn't become a billionaire until he hit 45. That's a lot of years of grinding. So, if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, you might want to reconsider. The real deal is patience mixed with a sprinkle of determination. Think of it as baking a cake. You can't rush the process if you want a cake that's moist and delicious. Wealth creation is like baking. It requires a steady approach and the result is oh so sweet. Diversification. Have multiple streams of income. Now, let's talk about diversifying your income. Most folks rely solely on their job for money. But what if you could have multiple streams of income that don't tie you down to a desk? Imagine the freedom. This not only boosts your financial security, but also gives you room to pounce on exciting opportunities. Having different sources of income is like having a buffet of financial options. Elon Musk gets it. He's got his fingers in multiple pies with Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and more. This kind of variety not only pads your bank account, but also gives you the chance to explore new horizons. Creating value, the spice that makes wealth irresistible. Beyond the dollars and cents, real wealth comes from creating value. Take Elon Musk again. He didn't just accumulate wealth by chasing money. No, he created revolutionary products and solutions that changed the world. The lesson here? If you want to be wealthy, look for ways to serve others and solve their problems. That's the secret sauce to building a truly fulfilling empire of wealth. Sustaining and growing, investing and the growth mindset. Okay, you've made it this far. You've embraced the mindset, taken action, diversified your income, and added value. What's next? Sustaining and growing your wealth. It's like tending to a garden. You need to nurture it and make smart decisions. When you invest, you're essentially allocating your funds to assets that have the potential to appreciate in value over time. These assets can include stocks, real estate, bonds, mutual funds, and even newer options like cryptocurrencies. As the value of these assets increases, your initial investment grows, and the cycle continues. It's like a compound interest on steroids. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, famously called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. And he's onto something. The longer your investments have time to compound, the more impressive the results. Investing might seem intimidating or complex, but here's the truth. It's a learnable skill. Just like you learn to ride a bike or cook a meal, you can learn to invest wisely. And here's a golden rule. Never invest in something you don't understand. Take the time to educate yourself, seek advice from experts, and start small. The key is to begin. Alright, so you're ready to dip your toes into the world of investing, but there's something even more crucial than understanding financial markets and strategies: a growth mindset. You might be wondering, what's that? Well, a growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort, learning, and perseverance. It's about embracing challenges, learning from failures, and continuously seeking opportunities to improve. How does a growth mindset relate to investing? Everything. See, investing isn't just about putting money into assets. It's about expanding your knowledge, adapting to changing market conditions, and having the resilience to weather the storms. A growth mindset encourages you to view setbacks as learning experiences, not roadblocks. When your investments face challenges, you don't throw in the towel. You reassess, learn, and pivot if needed. Here are a few pointers. Number 1. Embrace education. Be hungry for knowledge. Dive into books, online courses, and resources that help you understand different investment vehicles. The more you learn, the more confident and informed your decisions will be. Number 2. Risk and resilience. A growth mindset helps you navigate risk with confidence. Instead of fearing failure, view it as a stepping stone. Even if an investment doesn't pan out as expected, the experience gained can be invaluable for future decisions. Number 3. Adaptability. The financial landscape is ever-changing. Having a growth mindset means staying open to new information and adjusting your strategies as needed. Flexibility is key in the world of investing. Number 4. Long-term perspective. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. A growth mindset encourages patience and a focus on the bigger picture. Short-term fluctuations are part of the game, but what matters is the long-term trajectory. Number 5. Continuous improvement. Just like athletes strive to improve their performance, investors should aim to improve their strategies. Reflect on your successes and failures, and refine your approach over time. And that's what separates the financially thriving from the rest. So, there you have it, the roadmap to wealth creation. It's not a magic trick, and it's not a one-size-fits-all formula. It's a journey that starts with the right mindset, gets turbocharged by action, thrives on patience, and blooms through diversification and value creation. It's a journey that requires a dash of risk-taking, a sprinkle of patience, and a heap of determination. It's a journey that transforms aspirations into reality. So go ahead, take the first step. Write down your goal, make a plan, and put it into action. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but it was built brick by brick. Your wealth empire can be too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode that could change your financial perspective.